If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this clear acrylic face shield mask into this lovely, elegant rhinestone and pearl embellished mask, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be embellishing one of those little clear, hard plastic acrylic face masks. I purchased this off Amazon a while ago just because, and it so happens that a good friend of mine, her niece is going to homecoming, so she wants to have something with some glam and bling added to it. The colors that she's wearing is powder blue, so I sent her the pearls I have and the rhinestones I have, and she liked them all, so I just decided to create a little mix. Okay, and I think these were on Amazon for about $5 or $25 or something like that. And it covers up your nose. It's supposed to be fog resistant, but I guess it depends how hard you're gonna breathe in it. I don't know, but it goes around the ears. I heard it's comfortable. I've never worn one, but I have blinged 2 of these out in previous videos before. I'm going to use liquid fusion glue. It has a very low odor, but you're definitely welcome to use E6000 if that's what you prefer. I have a wax pickup tool that I'll be using to help pick up my pearls and rhinestones. 150 grain Dollar Tree sandpaper. So I'm going to be sanding this really good, get it nice and scuffy. I'll wipe it off with alcohol, and then we'll go ahead and get started adding the gel. And the reason you want to get it nice and scuffy is because you want to make sure that your rhinestones and your pearls have something to stick to, because these smooth surfaces, sometimes you could stick it to it, and if you drop it or bump it, sometimes the stones can fall off. Sometimes. So it's just good to do this just in case. Okay, so it'll look nice and scratchy like this once you're finished sanding it, and that's perfectly fine. You're gonna go ahead and wipe it off really good. Don't worry about how scratchy it is, because that means you did the right thing. And that part isn't gonna be showing anyway, because we're gonna go ahead and cover that up entirely. So we just wanna make sure all the dust, grease, debris, whatever is gone. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with a little bit of glue. So you can go in like a line, you can go in a little cluster. I don't always know exactly how I want to get it started, but I just start with a little bit of glue. And make sure you keep your top on. I left mine off overnight, so I had to kind of reopen that. So just gonna get everything nice and close together. Okay, so you can start at any area that you like to on the mask. You just start out with a little bit of glue, and then you just kind of place the stones and pearls directly onto the glue as closely as possible as you can. And you want to do that because you don't want to have like any spacing in between. It just looks better if everything is nice and tight. But I think something like this, doing a scatter method, is fairly simple. And I just think that it doesn't take that long if you just kind of sit there and just kind of like bang it out. If you're wondering how long this took me, I'd like to, because sometimes I do have some distractions and I have to get up and do other things. But I'd like to say this took about 2.5 hours, maybe 3. But you can get it done less than that if you just kind of just sit there, get in a vibe, maybe watch a YouTube video, or maybe cut on some music. You can bang this out. It doesn't take that long, and the outcome is really pretty. Now, if you don't use pearls and you just use all rhinestones, it could take longer than that, depending upon the size of rhinestones that you use. I'm doing like a scatter method, just kind of filling in the spaces as I go. I just have this area, like the nose area left, so I'm just going to continue to finish. Okay, so I'm almost finished. I'm just closing up this last little area right here with a few more rhinestones and pearls, and I'll be revealing the final look to you in the next clip. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this face shield. This face shield looks very glamorous. You know, you can also, of course, wear it clear with nothing on it. And if you want to do something simple and add a little bling to it, you could just bling the outer edge of it. You know, if you want to do something like this, but just much more toned down. But this is very pretty. Like I said, the dress of the girl, the young lady that's going to wear this to her homecoming, is the exact same color as that 10mm pearl. She's wearing a very soft powder blue, and it came out really nice. It went very well with her dress. It's glamorous. This is very glamorous. Like if somebody wanted to wear this to a wedding or wedding reception, maybe the bride and the bridesmaids, this would be something very pretty. Now also, if you're just that extra and you like the bling, you may wear this to the grocery store. You know, it's all about your preference. But I think this was very nice. It may appear to be heavy. I haven't tried it on and I've never worn one. But I heard that they are comfortable and that they're not that heavy. But that may not be the same for someone else. Like me personally, I don't like things on my face or like to go behind my ear. Like I'll wear sunglasses for a few hours if it's really, really, really sunny. But as you notice, this does go behind your ear. And I would think that after a long time of wearing this, it may put like a print on your face. So if you're not into things being on your face, this may not be for you. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. Thanks you guys for watching. And if you're subscribed, thank you. Please hit the notification bell so that you will be aware when I upload a new video. Hello to my new subscribers and all of my subscribers. And I'll be hitting 10K very soon. Thank you guys. MyRoyalRadiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, CROC, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. Be sure to check out my playlist that I have listed here. You may find other videos that will pique your interest. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.